Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about unsecure transformation and storage on virtual data room. First of all, introduction. VDRs secure repositories where business can store and share confidential documents. VDRs are often used for high-stake transactions such as merger and acquisition, due diligence, fundraising. However, VDRs can also be used for a variety of other purposes such as project management, litigation, and real estate transactions. So VDRs offer a number of features to help business to protect their data, including encryptions. All data are stored in a VDR encrypted at rest in transit. This means even if someone were again to unauthorized access to the data, they would not be able to read it. Access control. VDRs allow administrator to set granular access permissions for each user. This means that you can control who has access to your documents and what permission they have. For example, you can give some user ability to view documents while others have the ability to edit or delete documents. Activity tracking. VDRs track all activity in the system. This means that you can see who is accessing which document and when. This information can be used to identify any suspicious activity. Auditing. VDRs are generate audit reports that show all activity in the system. This information can be used to comply with the industry and standard security regulation and to investigate security incidents. So secure transmission. When transmitting data to and from a VDR data, it is important to use a secure connection. VDRs typically use HTTPS, which encrypts all data in transit. This prevents unauthorized individual from intercepting and reading the data. So secure storage. VDRs store data in secure data center. These data centers are typically located in multiple physical locations, protected by a variety of security measures such as physical security, access control, and firewalls. So here are the additional security measures. So in additional security features built in VDRs, there are a number of additional security measures that business can take to protect their data, such as using a strong password, two-factor authentications. Business should require users to use a strong password and two-factor authentication to access their VDR account. Educating user about the security best practices. Business should educate users about security best practices such as how to identify and avoid phishing attacks. Monitoring VDR activity for suspicious activity. Business should monitor VDR activity for suspicious activity such as unusual login items or downloads of a large amount of data. So in conclusions, VDRs offer a number of features to help business to protect their confidential data. By following the security tips above, business can further protect their data and reduce the risk of security breach. So that's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.